All great speakers were bad speakers at first, wrote the immortal Emerson. Greetings, I'm Dan from sunny Southern California. In one manner or another, I've been involved in the world of public speaking my entire life. Currently, I assist people of all stripes, whether they be students, business people, entrepreneurs, or corporate executives, get from where they are to where they would like to be as public speakers. I not only teach the fundamentals as are taught in popular programs like Toastmasters and Dale Carnegie, we go deeper. We draw on the teachings of rhetoric's founding fathers, Aristotle, Demosthenes, Cicero, and Quintilian. You see, they knew a secret. There are reasons we have been doing public speaking in the West the way we have been doing it for the last 2,500 years. We explore those secrets. I also help you put that pesky demon, the fear of public speaking, where it belongs, in the past. Thanks for your time, and if you're so inclined, let's book a trial lesson. I look forward to meeting you. Until then, all the best.